I'll show you the easiest way to set up pay schedules in Gusto. Whether you're a small business owner or managing payroll for a larger company, setting up your pay schedules correctly is crucial for smooth and timely payments to your employees. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, head over to gusto.com. This is where we'll be doing all the setup. If you're not already logged in, make sure to do so using your credentials. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. From here, look to the left-hand side of your screen and you'll see a menu. Click on the option labeled Pay. This will lead you to the section where we can start configuring your payroll settings. Next, you'll see a prompt for Add Payroll Details. Go ahead and click Continue. This step is essentially setting the stage for the details you'll be entering next. At this point, you have the option to add another admin. This can be particularly useful if you have someone else in your team who will also be handling payroll tasks. To do this, simply follow the on-screen instructions to invite another user by entering their email address. It's always a good idea to have a backup person who can manage these details in your absence. Now, let's move on to entering your company addresses. This information is important because it ensures that all tax-related documents are accurate and compliant with both state and federal regulations. Make sure to double-check the addresses you input to avoid any future complications. The next step is to share your federal tax information. Gusto will need this to calculate and file your payroll taxes correctly. You'll need details like your employer identification number, so have those ready. If you're not sure where to find this information, it's usually on your tax documents or you can consult with your accountant. After entering your tax details, it's time to add your company bank account. This is where funds will be withdrawn to pay your employees, so make sure you have your bank account number and routing number handy. Gusto will likely send a small test transaction to your account to verify everything is set up correctly, so keep an eye out for that. Now, we're finally ready to set up the pay schedule itself. Decide how often you want to run payroll. Common options include weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, but choose whatever works best for your business operations. You'll also specify the day of the week that payroll will be executed. Consistency is key here, so consider what aligns best with your cash flow and financial planning. And there you have it. You've successfully set up your pay schedules in Gusto. By following these steps, you ensure that your payroll process is streamlined and efficient, leaving you with more time to focus on growing your business. Thanks for watching, and feel free to revisit this guide whenever you need a refresher.